Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe, and go check out my other video with me and my cousin Talia. But this is Galaxy Slime, and if you cannot tell, this is Galaxy Slime. It's so cool. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. My mom actually stole it from my brother Brayden. I'm not telling you, okay? You'll only know it if he watches my videos, so I do not think that anyone watches my videos, but I'm going to take out this Galaxy Slime, and this is brand new, and I just unwrapped it, but y'all did not see me unwrap it. I'm recording this now. You can do that. Wow. And yes, it says Galaxy Slime. Yeah, it says slime. Oh, I just dropped the container. I hate when I do that, but... Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. So pretty. I hope y'all are taking pictures. You'll take a picture with your other tablet or phone. And make sure if your phone's like this, and turn it like this, and hit that red subscribe button like this. And 3, 2, 1, more pow! I hope y'all did it. But soon I'm gonna make a cardboard phone, and I'm gonna show y'all like in one of my videos. But today is Thursday. For me at least. I might post it like on Friday. Not Thursday. Today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I might post on Thursday. Look at it. Oh. I wonder how far it's been stretched. Together. Let's put it back together. Let's put it back together. Oh, look how far it is. This is as far as I can reach without the chair. With the trash. It broke. Alright, ready, y'all? Alright, I'm gonna mix it together. Oh, it's breaking a lot. It's not really working, but it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna split it in half. Like, I'm gonna try to do it in equal parts. That's one part, that's another part. Come to the camera. Is it in the camera? There, come to the camera. It's not in the camera. 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 Camera, camera, camera. I might want to do a big face in that. Camera, 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 and camera. Okay, I'm going to start with this one right here. It's so tiny and itty bitty bitty. I painted my nails with silver. That's why you see like silver stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that color, guys. Oh, mommy. Don't my dog was behind me. I have 2 dogs. One's named Bo, which he's the short one, which he thinks he's tall. And one is named Daisy, and that one's a girl. And she thinks that she is short, but she's actually really tall. My dad's outside working on our pole and our new benches. And my brother Brayden and Grayson, I think Grayson's in his room and Brayden's in his room, I think. And then Bo and Daisy are in my room or in my mom and dad's room. And my mom is technically at work right now. Wop, wop, wop. I think that's a good color. that one is done. Right, I'm gonna roll it in the ball. Roll it in the ball. Roll it in the ball. I just got a great idea. So I can tell, like, I can make these bigger balls, and I can tell them that it's cookies, and then they can try it. But they are not going to be on camera, but I will tell you on my next video. When I'm done recording this, and I'll tell you in my next video if they actually tried it in their mouth or if they just smelled it. I feel like something's behind me, but it's not. Ooh, here's another one. Oh, pow. Right, this one's done. Now we gotta roll it, 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 roll it. Just putting it and putting it and putting. Oh, this is a good color, guys. Look at this one. Right now, roll it, 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 roll it. I'm hoping I can make cookies soon. I'll make cookies. Should we have a special recipe? Which I don't even know. She's not gonna tell me till I'm like a teenager or an adult. Oh yeah, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at that super goldish, guys. Y'all should go buy some. It's like the best. And then y'all should do it with me. Oh my dog is. Hello, Daisy girl. Alright, I'm gonna mix this one together. I got it now. Oh, look at that little silver thing. This will be a good cookie. If it was not slime. But, I might actually do, like, a thing where I'm rolling it, but I'm not going to show, like, the recipe. Because that would be bad. That means everyone else would know. Dun, dun, dun. But Mom might show me, like, rolling the balls together. But I have tons of this time. Daisy girl! Hello! Daisy girl! Oh, she's not wanting to come over here. She doesn't take that long to make, so if you put it in, like, little pieces. Look at that right there. Yeah. Hi, Daisy girl. Daisy. Hi, she's wagging her tail. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, here comes a big one. Oh, there's a hard piece in it. There. I'll throw the hard piece away later. That's a hard piece. Well, pow. If y'all's phones are like this, then turn it like this and hit the red subscribe button. And also hit the big giant thumbs up so that you can see more videos. And click on the bell so that you can see when I post new videos. But don't comment down below. I'm just mixing it. It's taking forever. I do not know why. Rolling, 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 rolling. Look at that now. It's kind of like reddish blue, purple. Ooh, this one is going to be super cool because it has red, blue, and yellow. I feel like it's going to be so cool. Which I might put some balls together and I might just keep some like they are. A new basin. Alright, here's another one. Which this is technically what I'm going to do my whole video. So I hope you enjoy it though. But I might do like me baking with like a toy, not a toy one, but like something else that's not our cookie recipe. But if I maybe get to like 10 million subscribers, then I might show a little bit of the recipe. Like one ingredient, but that's it. And maybe when I get to lots of subscribers, then maybe I'll show like another one. You gotta subscribe first. Tell your friends to subscribe, and your brothers and your sisters and your cousins and everyone. Everywhere I go. Bubba. My dog Bo is standing super proud. I'm a proud Bobo in the world. I'm the proudest Bobo. Alright, I'm going to show my Bobo. I'm going to show him all. Here is he. Oh. My proud Bobo. My proud Bobo. My proud Bobo. My proud Bobo. He's super proud. Super duper uber proud. Super duper uber proud. Super duper uber. Oh, I got it to hand again. Okay, I was doing this one. Nah. Row. Look at that galaxy color. I just love galaxy slime for some reason. But if y'all give a big thumbs up, and if your phone's like this, turn it like this, and then I will mix all of these together, even if you are subscribed. But try to subscribe if you can. Oh, look at all this color. So I'm going to mix the same colors together that I like the same colors. So let's start with this one right here. So this is it. Oh, well, I just dropped one. This, and this. Oh, look at all of it right there. Right, I'm gonna mix it all together. Right, I'm mixing it. Oh, so cool. I told y'all I should have mixed it. Well, I didn't tell y'all, but I told y'all that I was gonna mix it. Wow. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, now we're doing red. So like these right here. But there's only 3. One's left alone. Oh no, I left one galaxy one out. Hang on, I'm mixing this. Look at that. Whoosh. Which on my phone, like I'll put one in this container and I'll do like a baggie for the other one. Okay, I'm done, but did y'all hear that? Alright, listen to it, guys. Listen to it. Did y'all hear that part? It's from the sign. Alright, one more time. Well, I better end this video before it goes like to 24 hours for me doing this thing. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the bag real quick, then I'll end the video off. But don't worry, I'll have more videos for you all to watch. Make sure that you watch all my videos and subscribe and hit the bell and give a big giant thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs up on every video too. Okay, everyone. Bye guys, I hope you have a good day or night whenever you're watching this video, but it's like kind of like, it's like 5 away right now, but bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. And if it's red like this, then make it gray. And make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!